say, don't you want your root beer?
I needed that. Thanks!
Anytime.
Tell her I love her!
I ain't buying any stamps. Yeah, yeah. 2,000 channels and still nothing to watch.
American swine.
You're the 22nd sheriff here in dusty little town. This year.
One root beer. Have a drink of nice cold lemonade before you faint. Oh my!
No, I am thirsty for a big drink.
Maybe Eustace was right about the toolbox.
Please take this big fat wild boar as apology.
Well, he does like pie, and I make a wicked pie. And now, I have the strangest feeling I'm not going to explode at all.
Hey, who's got my carrot?
Who invited this unrefined beast?
I made your favorite pie.